Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Step About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about preview. Guys, if you created some changes in your website and now you want to see the preview, and then you have to go back to this screen where you can add more changes in your website, then how will you come back to this screen from preview? So guys, first of all, let's see the preview of this website. So this is the preview of this website, as you can see. And now how will you go back to your editor, then you can make more changes in your website. Just simply, you don't need to confuse about that. You have to click on back to editor, and you can come back to this screen where you can add more changes and you can create your website as per your requirements. So this is how to go back to editor from preview on wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.